Hey guys, shuthi while uzethu naboshobano walking down the albebukane emehlweni and all lavidavi uMaNgcobo yena uzobe ekhale lapha ejele because lo mfana lo Q sevela gijima emaphoyiseni ofika wathi emaphoyisa uMaNgcobo sevela decide ukuthi asasela kumina ngenkani ngingafuni so mbopheni ngempela amaphoyisa did not ask, went straight, arrested uMaNgcobo. So uMaNgcobo is in jail now and I want to talk about that and more here in this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's get into it. Now mina bengikhuluma nasekuqaleni le ndaba yomshadokazi ethu iyinkinga because uSifiso is fighting from the grave. uSifiso ayifuni yonke lento ukuthi yenzeke but uzethu naboshobane bayaforce abaqhubeka ukuthi yenzeke. Imagine qale kwaba upene eqala utheli lokho bacishe bangashaya because there was no wedding dress. Now uzokwenzeka lento le whole wedding planner iboshiwe isejele, umshado uqhubeka kanjani wedding plan isejele. And one might think ukuthi akube neparty nje uMaNgcobo. No, it's not uMaNgcobo's bed. Like this was uSifiso fighting this wedding from his grave, and I'm telling you this because I've got a feeling that there's a lot that is still going to happen kuwona lo mshado lo. So what happened is that kufike lo mfana lo uQ abefika uQ uthembisa abangani bakho wathi bangani mami ngizonilethela iproof ukuthi mina noMaNgcobo siyashayana. Nangempela umfana recorded a video wafika uMaNgcobelele uyasinga on screen right now. Wafika uMaNgcobelele uma befika laphana tried kissing uMaNgcobo while uMaNgcobo was sleeping. uMaNgcobo woke up zamunkinye umfana. Unfortunately yonke lento le was on recording, so intwana decided ukuthi oh ngoba heavy recording ngothi ngigijime kuqala before uMaNgcobo ube yena epolice station reports, let me be the first to go there. Gijima nangempela intwana epolice station. Uma befika epolice station afika athi hey uMaNgcobo sedecide ukuthi azithathele la kumina amaphoyisa hambani yombopha. Nangempela uyasinga on screen right now. uMaNgcobo is behind bars and there's no way that she's coming out. So ushukeke lana the wedding is going on ngaphandle kwakhe. And I wonder how this whole storyline is going to end. But I'm hoping Utabo Garage will be able to see this. So lo mfana lona is lying because uMaNgcobo can be seen lapha nothi ngijwayela wara ekhuluma nje ngomuntu who is responding to someone ongene romini yakhe. So I hope that they'll be able to crack lo mfana lo is lying because uMaNgcobo does not really deserve all of this. So guys, comment there in the comment section, share your thoughts, share opinions about this. Ngicabangani about this whole thing. Siyepoka uMaNgcobo ngapha beboshwa ozethu in their wedding. Comment there in the comment section, share your thoughts, share opinions, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.